Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best accordion blinds option available. The Redi Shade No Tools Easy Lift Trim at Home Cordless Cellular Light Filtering Fabric Shade in Natural. This product combines convenience, style, and functionality in a way that stands out in the world of window treatments. First off, the Redi Shade is designed for a no-fuss installation experience. You don't need any tools, drills, screws, or brackets to get it set up. It uses a patented trimming scale and guide, so you can prep your window surface, trim the shade at home with just a kitchen knife for a perfect fit, and then simply peel and stick it in place. The inside mount requires only a minimum window depth of 1¼ inches, making it versatile for many window types. The cordless lift mechanism offers a clean, sleek look with easy operation, plus it's safer for homes with children and pets. The cellular fabric is made from polyester and features 9/16-inch honeycomb cells that trap air. This design helps improve energy efficiency by keeping rooms warmer in the cooler months, making it not just a stylish choice but a practical one for your energy bills. The fabric itself is light filtering. It softly diffuses sunlight, allowing natural light to gently fill your room while still maintaining privacy. The shade has a rounded bottom rail and finished end caps that give it a polished, crisp appearance when installed. It's available in multiple sizes, with the one we're focusing on today measuring 30 inches wide by 64 inches long, fitting windows that are between 19 and 30 inches wide. Another great feature is the ability to trim the shade at home. This means you can customize the length to perfectly fit your window without the hassle of complicated measurements or returns. The material is durable and designed to last, ensuring you get value for your investment. In terms of aesthetics, the natural color is neutral and works well with many interior styles, from modern minimalist to cozy traditional. Its cordless design also contributes to a neat, uncluttered look compared to traditional blinds with dangling cords. Overall, the Redi Shade No Tools Easy Lift Trim at Home Cordless Cellular Shade is an excellent choice. If you want an accordion-style blind that is simple to install, energy-efficient, safe, and visually appealing. Whether you're looking to upgrade your living room, bedroom, or any other space, this product offers a great balance of convenience and performance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.